Hello and welcome to this video on NEET 2024. This video is exclusively for all the students who are preparing for NEET 2024. In this video, we'll try to discuss the study plan for NEET 2024. So stay tuned for the complete video to understand the complete study plan for NEET 2024 so that you can get into top colleges. So this is our YouTube channel Spark Academy. Before you watch the video, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates with regards to engineering and medical entrance exams. So we conduct regular classes. We have in-session doubt clarification, study material is also available. And this is the self-study course which is available at 3,999. The more details will be discussed in the video. So first we should try to understand what is the marks or the cutoff with respect to NEET. It's mainly with respect to the marks which are required to get into top medical colleges. So firstly, as we know that NEET is out of 720, the safe score for, I'm only talking about general category. So if you want to get into All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIMS, a score of 620 to 650 plus. If you want to get into older AIMS, 620 also might not be enough. So 620 to 650 plus. And when we talk about the local government colleges, so we can specifically talk about AP and Telangana. A total of around 560, 600. This is enough to get into a local government college. So again, private colleges, 520 to 550 would be enough. This I'm talking about the MBBS programs. So AP Telangana students, you have to aim for 560 to 600 bare minimum in government colleges kavalandi. Again, reservation, it again varies, 20 marks here and there, but I am only talking about general category cutoffs. For private colleges, 520 to 550. When you talk about BDS dental courses, which is also very popular, and this should be your second priority if you don't get into MBBS. So for BDS, a score of around 470 to 480 is enough to get into government colleges, and private colleges 400 to 450 for private colleges. So always remember that in NEET there is always 85% state quota and 15% All India Council. So this is the score which is required, right? So if 560, 600 score techukodam is very important. So now what should be the strategy? The strategy should be very simple. You have bio, physics, chemistry. So 90 questions, 45. A total of 180 questions. So in biology, maximum you can score 360. Here 180 and 180. First and most important thing, students shouldn't neglect biology. In biology, you have to maximize the score. Most of the toppers score somewhere between 320 and 340. Bare minimum. Bio you should score maximum. Biology the easiest, and you should be able to score 320 to 340 in biology alone. So again, what is only for this? NCERT textbook line by line. You need to study for biology paper. So this you need to maximize the score. Again, chemistry should be your next priority. Out of 180, you should be able to attempt at least 30 questions, 30 plus questions. So 120 100 to 120 should be your aim in chemistry. So these two alone, where you will get around 420 to 460 just with biology and chemistry alone. Physics, most important in the sense that most of the biology background students face a difficulty in physics. So physics is still not impossible because NEET is not that high level compared to JEE mains. So at least 45 questions, at least 15 to 20 questions are solvable. In the sense they are direct concepts. 15 to 20 questions are direct concepts. So these 15 to 20 questions will give you around 60 to 80 marks. Then you need to target few higher weighted chapters and practice them thoroughly, which will give you 10 marks. So again, total around 25 questions to 30 questions if you attempt, a total of 100 to 120 you can score in physics as well. So even 80 to 100, so if you take 80, still you are at around 500 to 560 range, which will give you a seat in government college. If you are looking for aims, no excuse. You have to be thorough with all the subjects equally. Now what is the timetable? So how do we have to study? This is the crucial part of the study plan. If you haven't liked or subscribed to our channel, please do so. This will encourage us to make more content. Share so that all the NEET aspirants will know how to prepare. Now talking about the timetable, we have a very simple plan which we made for the students. So there are two categories in this again, those who are studying in 12th or repeater students. We can see that many repeater students are enrolled. So repeater students, the plan is very simple. You should spend 6 hours a day for coaching, be it classroom coaching or online coaching. So during this time, you need to learn your basics and most importantly, get your doubts clarified. And then apart from that, the other time, let us say 5 to 9 p.m., 4 hours, you need to spend time, like probably 1.5 hours for biology or 1.5 to 2 hours for biology, physics 1 hour, chemistry 1 hour. This you should only practice questions using the basics of your coaching, and whatever doubts you have, again you need to get those doubts clarified. This is first round of self preparation. In this second round, again, whether it is early morning or late night, that's your choice. I wouldn't recommend, I don't have any specific recommendation because some of you are comfortable early morning, some of you are comfortable with late night. Again, 4 hours, but reverse this. Physics 1.5 hour, chemistry 1.5 hour, bio only 1 hour. Again, you need to practice. So this should be your plan for next 3 months. September, October, November. 3 months, this you need to do complete practice, basics practice. This should be done. By November, you should finish all higher weighted chapters. All higher weighted chapters you can finish by September, October, November. From December onwards, the schedule will be same, but the second round of 4 hours, you need to attempt chapter-wise tests, and then you need to attempt grand tests. This is for next few months, December, Jan and Feb. and from March to May you have to revise. Follow this plan, do it, and you will be able to score well in NEET. Last minute tips. So again, you need to take proper coaching is what we are saying. So we will show you what your preparation should ideally be like. So your preparation should involve basic concepts. You need to learn few methods or tricks which will help you solve the questions quickly. You need to cover all the model questions. This is generally done in the class. Then you need to practice exercise questions, previous year questions, and chapter wise tests. Finally, you have to do test analysis. This is all the part of Spark Academy's learning methodology. So with this you will be able to cover the complete syllabus. We have made a great plan for you to follow the schedule, and we have made it easy for you. So if you are looking for admissions, you can contact, because we have coaching available, long-term coaching in Narayanguda. We have batch 2 admissions. Batch 1 is already full. ECIL we just have 3-4 seats left. Medipattam also 3-4 seats left for batch 1. So ECL and Medipattam also we are opening registrations for batch 2. Narayanguda batch 2 already admissions started. ECL Medipattam registrations have started for batch 2. So you can enroll well in advance. Or if you don't have time, or if you have already joined, you can take our self-study course for 3,999 only, or you can opt for our online coaching which is of 35,000, which includes live classes, complete lecture videos, study materials, test series, everything is covered. So this is about our Spark Academy. This is all about our Telegram channel. You can join our Telegram channel where we post updates, where we post about our quizzes. And if you have any queries, you can drop comments below. And also we have made specific, you can check our YouTube channel, Spark Academy. We have made very good playlists. So you can see here, this is our YouTube channel, Spark Academy. So you can go through our complete content. So here we made specific curated playlist for all of you. NEET 2024 all the updates, EAMCET 2024 all the updates, JEE 2024 all the updates. We have made subject wise videos also for you. You can go through our latest videos as well. So this we have made for EAMCET preparation few days back. And if you open here in the description, you will be able to see the entire thing. And this is the free resource sheet which we made for the students. So in this, you can see here that you have clickable links for all updates, all the latest updates, all chapter wise, handwritten notes, tests, link for our Telegram channel, all the study, free study course link. For admissions also you can call. And as I told you, all the chapter wise weightages for EAMCET, JEE and NEET. You can see here NEET, as I told you, all the chapter wise weightages we have given considering previous years. So you can go through this sheet in detail. It has all the information needed for free for all the students. So you can go through this. And if you have any queries, you have the contacts also. You can download this sheet easily. And if you have any queries, you can call us. Don't forget to share this video if you found it useful. Thank you. Please join us for the next session whenever we conduct. Thanks everyone.